Our Akron residents call in, and we are the first point of contact for them with the city government, and we start the process of completing their request. We can get anywhere from 300 calls to as many as over 700 calls a day. We take the caller information and it automatically forwards to that department in real time. CityWorks is great for the layout. It has a lot of information at a glance. It's easy to understand, and you can get the information to your citizens. And I think that encourages them to continue to call back and use our services.
CityWorks is being used on the sewer side for our preventive maintenance work orders for our pump stations, storage basins at the tunnel. We also use it for our accelerated cleaning where, if we have a fog problem or a root problem, we have PMs set up in there to where it automatically notifies us, hey, this line's due. One big reason why we went with CityWorks was to be able to go paperless. And our actual field crews have rugged tablets now that they get real live data from. The sewer dispatcher will get a call from 311 and they'll be able to issue that work order or service request right directly to that crew. You can just open that map feature, go in, highlight that asset ID, and create a work order right off of that map. That is a very cool feature. And it's just real-time data. It's just so nice to be able to have that.
Early on, CityWorks understood the power of asset management. Nothing has a greater impact on the citizen or our budgets than the assets we own. Every water main we have, every street we have, everything is in that. It allows you to be flexible, but yet still effective with what you need on a daily basis, from how much did that valve cost me? How much did all our valves cost us? How much did our water system cost us with the valves? And really building that asset hierarchy in the way that everybody's used to.
Typically in the past, we were in 7 silos as an operation. But then once you got into the CityWorks and we're kind of tracking it as a whole, you can see those times and instances where you can collaborate and actually save costs, save time, and start planning stuff more so than just being reactionary in your silo.
We have an opportunity in a system like CityWorks to be the front line of providing service to the citizens. I mean, that is an ROI that to me is way more important than money.